Juliana, she's like, no, Juliana.
You doing it?
Juliana is, she's, you guys play with that. Hey, why you doing that? Julie, don't do that.
You haven't even touched that grass yet, guys. I've done it twice because Julie told me you have to. Get out of the way! Don't do that! I'm so close!
No, oh, you need to go around. Baliktad kayo. Yung you're not looking at it. Tapos yung kamay.
Baby push.
No, Dad. Julene. No. Tayo ka dyan. Tayo. Don't do that grass. You're gonna be itchy.
3 times.
Oh, Dad!
Hey, you can't pick on this. There's Rocky right there. Dad's a whole new obstacle.
Ito, mainitan ka. Ate Dong doesn't like the sun. What is that sound?
Me.
Or a cow.
Hey, I'm almost there.
You stop.
You stop.